Chia seeds. Tiny in size but powerful in nutrition. Want to know the best way to eat them, how much to take, and when? In this video, we'll cover exactly how to eat chia seeds safely and effectively for weight loss, energy, and overall health. Stay tuned till the end. We'll also bust some common myths. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. They're rich in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. Give just 1 tablespoon a day can boost your digestion, help with weight loss, and give you long-lasting energy. How to eat chia seeds. Let's dive into 5 popular and safe ways to eat chia seeds. 1. Soaked in water or juice. Best for digestion. Always soak chia seeds before eating. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1 glass of water. Let it sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours. They form a gel-like texture, which is easier to digest and better for your stomach. You can add lemon or honey for flavor. Chia pudding. Delicious and filling. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk. Add some fruits, honey, or nuts. Leave it overnight in the fridge, and you've got a tasty and nutritious breakfast. 3. Add to smoothies or protein shakes. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into your smoothie. They'll blend right in and boost your fiber and omega-3 levels. Soak them 10 minutes before adding so they don't stick to your throat. 4. Sprinkle on oatmeal, salad, or yogurt. Don't like the texture of soaked seeds? Just sprinkle dry chia seeds over your meals. But remember, drink plenty of water to avoid digestive issues. 5. Use in baking. Muffins, pancakes, energy bars. You can even use chia as an egg substitute in baking. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, plus 3 tablespoons water. 1 egg replacement. How much chia seed per day? Don't overdo it. 1 to 2 tablespoons, around 15-30 grams, per day is ideal for adults. Start small, especially if you're new to high-fiber foods. When to eat chia seeds. Morning is the best time to eat chia seeds for energy and digestion. At night, chia seeds help keep you full and support overnight fat burning. Benefits of eating chia seeds. Let's summarize some amazing benefits of chia seeds. Aid in weight loss, improve heart health, stabilize blood sugar, enhance skin health, boost energy and focus. But it's about chia seeds. Some people think eating more chia means faster results, but that's false. Too much can cause bloating, constipation, or choking if not soaked properly. Who should be careful? People with swallowing difficulties, low blood pressure, or on blood thinners should consult a doctor before taking chia seeds regularly. To wrap up, chia seeds are a superfood, but like all good things, moderation is key. Soak them, eat them smartly, and you'll feel the difference in your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more healthy living tips. Comment below, what's your favorite way to eat chia seeds?